Hi, so this is a second assignment. It has 4 quadratics. I have the XY tables completed out exactly what you've been doing, and there's 4 of them, 2 positive, 2 negative. So now from this point forward, we're attacking the H and the K of the vertex form, and now we're doing it all. Okay, here we go. All right, vertex form. You now have fraction decimals. All right, so you have the positive and the negative. All right, so your first quadratic, I'm gonna use this, okay, is y is equal to 0.5x squared, or y is equal to 1/2 x squared. Remember, your calculator, if you have this one, it will process it. So for instance, if I wanna throw in, right, you would hit the fraction button, 1 down 2, click out, and then if I wanted to put in like -1 quantity squared, it will give me the answer, which is 1/2. Now, when you're going to plot it, you're going to go ahead and hit the SD, right, scientific to decimal button, and it will take you to 0.5, and then of course I'll graph these. Okay, I'll definitely graph this one and this one for you on a later video, maybe by like Tuesday. I'll see how many of these I get in. And then if you email me and you did 2 and 3, but you're like, I have questions on 1 and 4, then I can go ahead and shoot a short video on it. Okay, all right, so you can do that. Or if you have a calculator, you can go ahead and just, I'm trying to get that light, my lamp, desk lamp out of it. Okay, or you can click 0.5, right? So here's my 0.5. So both of these are the same. This is just in fraction form. This is decimal form. And then you can throw in your -1, right, squared. And then you can throw that in the calculator and you still get 0.5. Or you can, right, if you're comfortable plotting that, or you can plot, right, if you hit SD, 0.5, right? So that 1/2 or 0.5. And so if you want to plug in 0.5 here and have -1.5, that's fine. Okay, no rush on this assignment. I do give you this. Okay, so then here your A value is 4. Here your A value is -5. Here my A value is -1/4 or -25 hundredths or -1/4. And again, same. If you negative, right, 1 down 4, right, that's equivalent to, right, hit SD, it's equivalent to -2.5. So that's why I have or, right? Okay, if you want to first hit the fraction button, then type in -1 down 4, right? If you can see that there was a difference. Again, you will still get, and what I did there was here the negative is attached to the numerator. Here it's right up front. So that was, if you play the video back, that was a difference. It's the same thing. Okay, hit SD, transfer it, -1/4. So again, it's up to you. So if you want to grab the calculator and you want to type in -0.25, and then parenthesis -1 quantity squared, right? What you see is what you type. So once you write these out and you substitute your x values, your input values for x, your calculator will go ahead and they will give you a fraction, but then of course you just transfer it to a decimal expression and you get -1/4. Okay, so there you go. Okay, these two for sure, I will create a video, and then we'll see on Tuesday on the Zoom how many of you want it sooner than later, or how many of you requesting me to put the video up sooner. And so Tuesday we'll talk and we'll see. But these two, if you, we'll talk about it on Tuesday. These two are straightforward. Okay, your numbers are going to be a little larger because you're working with 4 and -5. All right, so here we go. What's the A value, right? Is it positive or negative? So positive or negative. And again, if you want to start abbreviating and put POS for positive or NEG for negative, you're welcome to it. Is it concave up or is it concave down? Is it concave up or concave down? Concave up or concave down? Again, there you go. Okay, does it have a maximum or minimum point? Does it have a maximum or minimum point? Does it have a maximum or minimum point? Right, okay, you get the drift. What is the axis of symmetry? Right? My hand's shaking because I've been doing this for like 25 minutes. Okay, what is the, I gotta build some muscles. Okay, what is a max min value, right? Here's your XY table. Again, it's the same, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And then here are my plots, my coordinates. Okay, so let me just kind of go to the top, just kind of hold the frame. And by the way, the work I am getting from you is just gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. The colors, the penmanship. Whoever's sitting next to me on the couch, because I'll have the laptop and then I'll have my phone. And I'm showing my boys and I'm showing my husband. And I'm like, look how pretty this is. I love it. They're like, oh yeah, that's very pretty. I said, look how neat it is and colorful. And oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, there you go. I will see you Tuesday. And then of course, again, you'll see me on more YouTube. Okay, love you.